Right, everyone for me church will be a cover at the by Grace TV. So you say the ample young crop and Mabusia Obian way, yes, she be a brand cocker. I know, say about 918 and channel coupon on do. But quick updates, yeah, Abba, and I was the best meeting I home. Now, yet, yes, and probably be a swing and summer, there can be at first. So even though time is far gone, and I know, say a break cocker, but I won't be here. See, bedding come a crabby. Now, yatin some more see, Nabibia. And so I asked you to message so the kind of one now I like it, now comment and now I share. I'm from so and you be I share live, streaming live on YouTube by Grace TV. So now bring your mayor the more. Yet they are money bring now a best mama. And now when him say the matter of Abusuapanin and sense the matter of who is Abusuapanin, who is not Abusuapanin any idea. It is not over. Nyankopon yard much now. Network ye I say Nyankopon yard much Abusuapanin. Attention is at the Accra High Court tomorrow, God willing. Attention is at the Accra High Court, where the Accra High Court delve deep into the matter. Now, and also any expertise about on board. Abwa, amaya tin se mwasi. The Accra High Court then the expertise boa. Now, I mean, someone able to cover mine. They are ever na yenye munchi mu yen yatin se mwasi. Na bibia ayasunji. I don't know, but network is all the kind one. No, my how is the network at your end? Because the notification I mean your hand say the network is a bit bad. I don't know why I will show me. Baby, I will show me free. Anyhow, network is here. I will but make sure they commenting. I mean, who's this here? Now, you team for everything is from one side. So now, bibia aba nyankopo ya watch now. The Accra High Court. Echo set on the case. Yes. Now, the Accra High Court echo stay on the case. Now, I'll stay on the case to look into the matter. Since you have down when you says here, and some more about when you about to just say, court, I'm quite say, young go vary a rate of summons or what that. Now, you have Abusuapanin copy from Ram account because it's your court accepting say, oh, yeah, an interested party, and BBR, and so, and yeah, assume yes. So, maybe because they will go and put those letters there. They sent to Kumasi, then that's all happened. Matia about that say. But the for network need to say at your end. What will become? I mean, is network okay? Because the signal I mean, your hand they are very, very bad. And you won't comment. I mean, who said this here? Right. So you remember, Yebekaya, 14th of May, and Abusuapanin PM court. Now 14th of May, Abusuapanin PM court. Now this was the argument. The argument in now say, Abusuapanin is not stable. Okay. I don't know. See, I think the MTN Ghana for about a patch or say, or many a problem with almost cables, maybe. Or and your Ghana, but some of the other countries, so. And on the network cannot for some time, about 5 days, I have very bad. But MTN Ghana have a patch. So they are more functioning. And Yami Pekra, and I'm an Akobasa. But let's see, Mr. Mama managing the shake the Yami Bay, and I'm about my meets my baby for one. And I young call off me in Sambra. Because what do you suggest? Young call off me in Sambra now. And I enter to stream this so that is the news ever. And now on the 14th of May, and on copy Accra High Court. The bring copy Accra High Court. Now they issue in a back. Now sending now and say, Abusuapanin come now for say, court to money crime. Now on make a send in the court. No, I send by the court. A small court now and say, Ye mamma Akosua Serwaa. And I said, Ye mamma Akosua Serwaa on your business and team fan account. Ye mamma Akosua Brimpoma. And I'll say, Yo, fa, ya poku. And the Abusuapanin kind, yes, Debbie. One more this year, of course, no. Be binti, one went to me and can be. Then I'm so went to me and can be. Almost never cabum. Now almost celebrate almost this year. Almost never cabum. Now almost celebrate almost this year by that Lumba. Now, on by celebration of life, the amount you share data. Now, 29th and 30th of March. And now, on by celebrate that Lumba. Now, everyone share dates now. You go so train a break on him now. Young Caribbean shame, and a bit to just say. Now, I confuse with the Akwadai court to say celebration of life. A year, your mamma, Akosua Brimpoma, any of fire poku, non person or ye, and demand the late that number. On penny money muscle, and Tisadia court, and fine injunction tabo, name pie one is a court, and fine injunction tabo to say a bear. Such celebration of life for one person, into me a muscle. Now, I was young, a bra. Akwadai court no any assembly but let's not forget say everyone na confused in some Akwadai court so the nipa 9 and the kujina court the nipa 9 or the kujina court no na the kind maami Akosua Serwaa Mame Fanto so has ansana yaba. Okay, so nipa nine no ha me patch me ba na fe yendi nkomo se de be betin se masi fa comment bra say the wadwene of fans we na ho no but nyame ad much na Accra High Court de be koso bi a yenya no won kra da roma yen sabe kabi de de munchemu ene emu ama ebo abesom ti wo hwe de da so sabre a we ye ensem a na kofu de ko dan court no enipa o de omo ko gina court no mo ye 9. So we can see on our screen the first defendant, this is the first person and I confused Tupac, they go to court. Now, Mame Akosua Serwaa. Aside Mame Akosua Serwaa, second person, you are confused Tupac, and they go to court. Now, you fire Puku, that Lumba of fire Puku. And after the third person of the go to court, Mame Akosua Serwaa, and the last person, that's the fourth defendant, no, Papa She. Now, they say, you know, they go down court and say, court, and shall now on see or more coin say. And my own to me, my court more crime, more celebration of life, yeah, and for my daddy Lumba. Then they did the more, I mean, a court so I could be say, a that court is here on the 25th of March. Court here on the 25th of March, the court can say, celebration of life on person, we are not train so. Now, court person to was no ransom. Now, if you want to was the Mamrani and money, a gun I'm bringing out to home. A shall be a gun I'm ready that. And Sana, what to be the team a fast celebration of life. It was on the 25th of March, and if you had an asana, and I can't tell you free and a parcos of any buy. Yeah, can't tell you an apacos in your buy. And I said, walking and I say, Abusuapanin and pay you for Makusians or to Tupac or Jitu, Nanams or Jitu Mintino. Or the Abusuapanin now could be a Cromabo. Nana Cabana Abusuapanin Cabana Foodin said, on Embra tree. As interim Abusuapanin for the corner royal family Abusia, and I'm sent and some Akosua ma a year Nana Cabana Belfort. Mature Abusuapanin come before the crack or die court say. Says, yeah, one year Abusuapanin Waba into your person or back cancer. Then now was a court didn't some to her a share send a gun and Manica said, yeah, Maria, Mamma and money in the university. And son of a jet to say, Obama Quine, Ama Nana Cabana Belfort, Abe cancer who be. As an interested party, and now I'm court. And I court yes, that was on the 14th of May. I'm court na court yes, this is here the Anakabana Brefo. Abusuapanin the Asempa, Abe an interested party. Yeah, or Babeka Semhobi. Now for court at the boss Asha Simon. And the court a casting in a beer or castle Wajatum says here the Anakabana Brefo the Asempa, or Beka Simon was an interested party. And I'm so Beka no. Court Eddie and Shaka Emma Nanako Fuse to Tupac. Esther, you walk on. Network any higher currently don't be kind one, no more mobile. Now with their chair, it is circumstances beyond control. And the announcement court a catcher and Uncle Fuse to Tupac say. On the lawyer phone call. That's our criteria that's it. On the Nipa 9 and or the Omkudina court, the original rate of summons on Nipa 9 or the Omkudina court. Omudin Tribunal, Mame Akosua Serwaa as the first defendant, Ofayapoko as the second defendant, Mame Akosua Serwaa as the third defendant, and Papa She as the fourth defendant. But I'm the court, a shame, same one or two say, Wama Quine, say, Yanana, Cabana Brefu, Abusuapanin, Cabana Brefu, the Asempa, and Rameka sending you Huntino. Sadia, a year Nanako Fuse to Park, the way as Nanko. Now, Omonko order free court. Omujo the free quarter, Sakrata ye over a nipa 9 defendant. Yanfa and Akabna Brefu Mekam as the fifth defendant is Yano. The new rate of summons are court to share and Kofi Wusun in the lawyer say, Omonko court or now Omonko to me, order Nafi, Omon Sacremono. Says yes, Sakrata ye that's it. The next one, Omonko court to Rabano. Ubon said, and your 4, and your nipa 4 beam. Ebeba be nipa 5. Now the NT about be nipa 5 now say, says Yano. Nana Cabana Brefu the Asempa small court. Court or Jatum so American will be. This is your court or Amaquine say. Young for Nana Cabana Brefu the Asempa, Edin, American will be as the fifth defendant. No Muna and count my intimidation. So the Bayer Court National Ransom no dia Semnoa, the Pia Bayer Suji, Court National dia Semnoa. I mean, the assembly a winner was a court at the Tunes and assembly a winner was a court. Consider Nebua with respect to the matter. Wahwini na nkoba se bia obedi asem na wie no na bia ye fa bia film anaso obedi asem na wie no na bia efa bi grievances enye met efa bi consent ya nhye da nti eno nti and I come on and say, see, I did. Yamia to Macra High Court say, Nana Cobia Brefo, dear Simpa, or Ramaka on a fay, BPI Yasu. This is the honor of our account. Court can say, what we shall be one. I feel like what the term was say. Now, why investigate the matter? Why go deep into the matter? Now, I share some year, and I share what Pim say, and some will be great. She said, says, yeah, I was the argument. Nana come now before making it Tupac in Abusuapanin, all the Abusuapanin. It is the opportunity them now Busan come now before the entire or change Tupac in Abusuapanin or Benjamin now what you now Tupac is interested, but also Abusuapanin, also betting them with their Chaka High Court. See, I'm not watching now air corner. Interesting times ahead. Yeah, whatever it is, the court between us. Now go into it. Na BBI Yasu, whatever I be free court or about free young works, everybody now. Some way, somehow, I think it's a bit why not edifying this case. Because I think the assistant now says, yeah, baby, I said, even though Mamma Akosua Serwaa is not say an issue on its own, but says, yeah, the bone of contention now quite Abusuapanin sense. The Abusuapanin, the Abusuapanin, any idea, yeah. I mean, this year will be Kumasi High Court. They've been so, via Accra High Court. You know, the course now, Yamukopimu, via Accra High Court, court, and then send it to you. This year, the Abusuapanin come number for the Asempa. Only the fifth defendant. Yes, Abusuapanin come number for the Asempa. Only the fifth defendant. Afi, and Yanonqua, court, Babuan, share, Ubiansimo, they want to be at the proper investigations. Said yeah, say na efata. On the empty of was na yankuti yanka kan yakakra. Safi no be kan ho. Na no ya omokopi mu e court no. And some will be a course na bibia nya so. First of all, yankuti lawyer was the defendant, a lawyer Stephen Opoku from Columbia Law Firm. Then somebody to ya. Na fe dia can be a bar. Yento aso yen fan som amansai. Madam, mama, you are welcome. Mama, you said network a hard drink. I don't know. Since the MTN Ghana for official more part, or say, or what cables need be. I mean, almost underground cables need be one. I can't know my network in this year. But anyway, Yen was interested in BC. I go to the NTA, and now I call court now. Lawyer Stephen Opoku, only dinner with the Mayama, Akosua Serwaa. Ye mame Akosua Brumpo, my year for your Poko ne Papashi. And some of the two, a bra court, I did to me say, celebrate young court adjusted to back, and then the lawyers, Nana Kofuzi to back, and then lawyers, and go Jordan free court. Now, very that is almost very rate of someone to say the bear, Nana Kopinabe Fudi Babe County as the fifth defendant. So let's go to the Accra High Court. Start down on 14th May 2026. I didn't the course over your body. I can be a person. You take Accra. You take the course.
Okay. And then what the most ever two court at him. Said the assembly now going to find, and then I argument can say power court. Sending him in a pussy quiet.
Oh, the opinion for Fra Busana, you know, say, on the Busana, nona. A checker, Debiana, Debiana, Onjin and Mona on fire to ye. You will say, or apply, say, or by joining case, no. If you say, a Busan to be my court, Abusuapanin at a baby. To apply, you know, and now court on to share and say, no bitty, say, or by joining to the case and ask someone joining on. So, Koya will be a born and was and a court and say, there be. Yeah, your defense, no, you can't say. Apana or there some about course as former Abusuapanin view. It's not trust that semia el court any. It's the sanitary there or joining you Abusuapanin now or back also only Abusuapanin joining to the suit. Said about court between since the name we nothing or the year to year. And so no the tough woman say new Abusuapanin na Abusana you know. You share my video a chese Abusana ko share mo etu omo Abusuapanin dada no e de this is no sa ni Abusuapanin court agina tum say omra meka case no ho na afi no court no enye hwehwe mu bia also hwehwe including yen asamere ba say former Abusuapanin no ma onye Abusuapanin bio no ena na bebo ama court na tuma hwehwe sanse no nyina mu yi enti join da obe join the case no ena na court na agya tum say ampa I also join no enti na so boma no me na masika.
Obviously, network now okay, can I still my stable, Madaroma, because me shut down my head is stepped crap. But anyway, so far, as a matter of time, but your network now okay, and I still my stable. Now you Madaroma, network now you okay and access na nye pacho come bit me comment here mama na me ho the next line of action and mama you bit me to am be okay so this is lawyer Stephen Nsi Opoku lawyer won gina mo di ma enipa nine no a originally Tupac di omo court say court ensure mo say mo nye celebration of life I mean court enter injunction to omo so say mo ko celebration of life we am fam ma that Lumba enipa nine no that is ye mama Akosua Serwaa of Ayapoku ye mama Akosua me papa she omo lawyer ena kasa o de yes senti na some kind kakra na de aka be en fato aso
okay said in some assembly na wobon to fa and then I argument kase pa ko say ne no na kosi ko
well ma Odobroni for fra ono na onda busana no na ka debia na ebude debia na onjina ni mu na onfa yetoyi you say or apply say join the case no say Abusuapanin me ma court abana Abusuapanin ete baby to apply no na to share na say no betie say oba join no to the case and as one join no say for ya obi abo na no asem na court na say baby yan ye defense no ya kan say papa na odi asem ba court as former Abusuapanin onye Abusuapanin bio it's not trust that asemi edi asemi a e court ko enye yi the sanitary there oba joining new Abusuapanin na oba cause only Abusuapanin oba joining to the suit so the court bit me tin sem ni nyina mu yi na afi no di atu yi enti no ne tofa bomu ne say new Abusuapanin na Abusua yi no ye hwe ya ma video a e kire say Abusua no ko hia ya omo etu omo Abusuapanin da no e de so no sa new Abusuapanin court agina tum say omra meka case no ho na afi no court no enye hwehwe mu bi a also hwehwe including yen asamere ba say former Abusuapanin no ma onye Abusuapanin bio no ena na bebo ama court net ma hwehwe sanse no nyina mu yi enti join da a obe join the case no ena na court na ja tum say ampa also join no enti na sofa boma no me ma sekra
so that is it this was the way I speak it after say court ekasa I say wama kwan for Abusuapanin bi asempa say ombra meka asem na yento aso ye kaka yon kakra nyame adom china ena ye 29 ya wo court bi na afei court because court ka say oba beka mu afei no binya bre na waye enhwehwemu thorough investigation with respect to ye na mamre ne amane ene insensem bebre enti na kwabna bre fu di asempa nyina so bia e ma de ye Abusuapanin do akodan court ena Tupac so nyina so bia o hone say no nti o da so ye Abusuapanin so akodan court na mijudi say obeka ya during the Kumasi High Court, the landmark case between your mama Akosua Serwaa and then I mean a fire legal wife and it got to a point men can say a researcher because according to the Akosua Serwaa say almost record mention police almost a researcher mama so say we wait me aba almost pay or hene mum na nanom bi na nka wait me aba be chimo fa wa we amamre ni amane ho and in the interest of your mama and money, no, or more at the researcher and the researcher, the be was the fire mamma and money, and my teacher can't talk about that can be church, mamma and money, a far already at the now, yeah, come for, I mean, a 74 hour and the now. And he said, yeah, lawyers, that's it, 1 week, Kasai, or Accra High Court, the last time, okay, so, or better, Crase, or Bayu a thorough investigation, and the fire mamma and money. Now, for your thorough investigation, or thorough investigation, or better so a bisa said the yang I can form any that or their tour now Boamas with Jabano. And Yamia much now we believe something that better was on a fee. PBI will call Nanya way a lawyer or Kasai at the defense TV. Abusuapanin come now breakfast ways and instead of Catita. You could see no so craving na the Akabianso, Yamfa and Twasso and Mamma signed. This was on the 14th of May. Accra High Court. It's not so.
Where were you? Okay, council. Okay, council. And then in said the na she. Abusuapanin pacho. Any him said the court, Mecca say, na Abusuapanin the able to court when Mr. America when next sending Chimone a course of our court.
Mecha etiefo nyina. Didi kan de meka ne say nanu a ye ni muhia ne ye ka kire mu say
yɛde nkrataa bɛto court sɛ ɛyɛ abusuapanyin Kwabena Brefo ɔno na sɛ ɛkɔ na abusua a ɛwɔ paako so ne nsuta no ɔno na yɛapa ne sɛ abusuapanyin enti nsɛm na ɛda court no etwa sɛ court ɛde ne bɛka asɛm no ho sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a yɛbɛtumi adɔ asɛm no mu asukɔ na nkyerɛkyerɛmu bi ɛwɔ mu biara yɛde abɛto dwa na ɛnora anadwo yɛmfa ne sɛ bɛɛ almost 5 o'clock ɛna ɛyɛ Tupac a lawyer for no ɔmode affidavit in opposition ɛbrɛ na sɛdeɛ na ɛtie biara no ɛnam sɛ na yɛgye asɛm a yɛde abɛto court no ɛdi nti no yɛyɛ adwene sɛ even though aba late no yɛbɛkɔ yɛ anim ne aka asɛm no nti ɛnɛ yɛde asɛm bɛto court anim sɛ court ɛnhwɛ na ɔmfa abusuapanyin Kwabena Brefo ɛnka asɛm no ho yɛbobɔbobɔ so na court agye atom sɛ abusuapanyin Kwabena Brefo etwa sɛ yɛde ne bɛka asɛm no ho nti sɛsi a ne deɛ abusuapanyin Kwabena Brefo asɛm na ɛda court no ɔno ɛna ɛyɛ faith defendant nti court ahyɛ Tupac ɛne ne lawyer for sɛ asɛm no ɔmo amend rate no na ɔmo mfa abusuapanyin Kwabena Brefo nka ho ɛna court ahyɛ da sɛ yɛn Nsambra 29th June nti saa nneɛma no nyinaa bɛkɔ so na 29 June yɛabɛtoa so ɛwɔ court
sɛdeɛ abɛto dwa sɛ na bɛka no wosie wogye di yie sɛ ɛbɛboa ama asɛmdie no a mopɛ no a mo sɛ tumi aka no
wohwɛ yɛn rules ɛne yɛn mmara yɛde yɛ adwuma no a ayɛ na court no ɛsɛ sɛ ɔyɛ ne nneɛma sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a asɛm bi ba a nipa a ɛtwa sɛ ɔmo ba asɛm no nyinaa mu no yɛde ɔmo bɛka asɛm sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a because wei sɛ nka court anyɛ ntoma nka yɛbɛtumi akɔ file another suit but court hwɛ nneɛma no nyinaa court ɛsɛ daabi asɛm a ɛda m'anim no sɛ mede abusuapanyin ka ho a ɛbɛboa court no ama court no ahwehwɛ nsɛm no nyinaa ɛpɛmpɛnsɛmu ɛhu sɛ asɛm no ne sibire ni anaasɛ ha na ɛsɛ sɛ yɛde asɛm ne fa nti no nneɛma bebree wɔ hɔ no ma ɛsɛ sɛ ɔmo yɛ ɛsɛ sɛ ɔmo kɔgye order ɛsɛ sɛ ɔmo amende ɛsɛ sɛ ɔmo serve yɛn a akɔnya bɛba ama yɛn nso yɛde defense aba abɛto dwa ne nyinaa akyi no court yɛ mmara 29th na deɛ wɔ hɔ biara yɛnka
kasi wo de last year yɛde nyinaa ba wie no yɛbubisa sɛ so yɛde na bɛka no na kyerɛ sɛ yɛgye tom sɛ ɔyɛ abusuapanyin anaa
yɛnyɛ nnu hɔ
okay
ɛno no sɛ abusuapanyin deɛ sɛdeɛ medi kan kaa naa no efie ɛna esi abusuapanyin yɛn asɛm a yɛde abɛto court ne sɛ abusuapanyin Kwabena Brefo ɛna sɛ sɛ yɛsi na abusuapanyin ɛwɔ ɛkɔ na abusua mu wɔ paako so yɛyɛ ka sɛ ne sɛ asɛm na ɛda court no yɛ Tupac oni ho tumi sɛ ogyina asɛm no mu bi nti afei ne yɛbɛpɛnsɛmpɛnsɛ saa nneɛma no akyerɛ court deɛ nti a ɛni sɛ abusuapanyin Tupac ɔno na ɛdi asɛm yɛ anim yɛn frɛ no Tupac nti afei ne yɛbɛdɔ akyerɛ sɛ oni tumi sɛ ɔno na ogyina asɛm no anim wɔ court nti ɛm sɛ ne yɛmɛka no
nkɔ abusuapanyin so n'agya abusuapanyin deɛ yɛbɛtɔ dwa asɛm kakra bɛn na ɔbɛka ɛde akyerɛ akyifoɔ ne fɛfoɔ ne
aseda ne yɛde me Nyankopɔn de me dɔm ase pii
papa ɔsɔ
Nyankopɔn nhyira mo nyinaa Nyankopɔn nhyira mo kɔ mo mpaebɔ ne ɔdɔ a mode tae nyinaa akyi na ɛnnɛ nso so pɛpɛɛpɛ yɔ apie na ɔbɔnsam nsa agyene na nsa kɛseɛ bi aso agyene Nyankopɔn nhyira mo
feed me to say because I'm not getting it so well. I say I shake kakra into me trust network no. Yeah. Network na busu yanso be come ho a we no mo kakra. Network is it okay? I mean streaming or how is my network? Or I say me who say yeah. So we lawyer was saying of course can't say what ma o I say abusuapanyin Kwabena
ɛnɛ deɛ ɛnim sɛdeɛ ɔpɛde de ɛbɛto court wɔ anim sɛ ɔma bɛka ɛnɛ mu ne court
mɛkyia atiefoɔ nyinaa nka deɛ mɛka ne sɛ n'ano a yɛne mu hyia ne yɛka kyerɛ mu sɛ yɛde nkrataa bɛto court ɛyɛ abusuapanyin Kwabena Brefo ɔno na sɛ ɛkɔ na abusua a ɛwɔ paako so ne nsuta no ɔno na yɛapa ne sɛ abusuapanyin nti nsɛm no a ɛda court no ɛtwa sɛ sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a yɛbɛtumi adɔ asɛm no mu asukɔ na enchechemu bi ewu mu bia ye de abetudwa na enra najo emfa ne say be almost 5 o'clock ena eye Tupac a lawyer for no omode affidavit in opposition ebre na said the net bia na enam say na ye gi asema ide abeto court no edinti no e adwen say even though abalate no ye be ko yanim ni aka asem no nti na ye de asem beto court anim say court enhwe no fa abusuapanyin kwabna brefo enka asem no ye bobo so na court agi atum say abusuapanyin kwabna brefo etwa say ye de ne be ka asem no nti sesi ane de abusuapanyin kwabna brefo asem na eda court no ono ena eye faith defendant nti court a share Tupac ene ne lawyer for say asem no omo amend rate no mo fa abusuapanyin kwabna brefo nka ho na court a share that say Ensambra 29th June nti zania mani nyina bekoso na 29 June abeto aso e court say abeto just said na beka no musie widi mogidi say ebeboa ama asem die na mo pe no mo site mi aka no o share ye rules any ye mra de adwuma na aya na court no ese say oye ne niam say de be ya asem bi ba nipa etwa so mo ba asem no nyina mu no ye de omo be kan asem say de be ya because we senka court anya ntuma nke betimi akofile another suit but court hwe ne mani nyina court essay there be asem a eda manim no say me de abusuapanyin ka ho a ebeboa court na ma court no ahwehwe nsem ni nyina epempensemu ehun say asem no ni sibreni ana say ha na ese say de asem nefa nti no niam bebre ho no ma ese so omo ye ese so omo kwadi order ese so omo amende ese so omo serve yen a akwanya beba am yen so ye de defense aba betudwa ni nyina echi no court see Ensambra 29th na de wo bia yen kan cause we the last year you nyina ba wie no you be say so ye na be kan na kire say ye gitum so ye busuapanyin na yenye nu ho okay eno no say abusuapanyin de say de midi kan na no efie eni esi abusuapanyin ye yasema idea beto court ne say abusuapanyin kwabna brefo ena say yes na abusuapanyin ewo ekwo na abusuam wo pa akoso ye ka say ni say asem na da court no ye Tupac oni hu tumi say ogina asem no mu bi enti afa ne ye be pensem sa ne yem a chere court de enti a eni say abusuapanyin Tupac ono na edi asem ye nim ye mo fe no to sack enti afa ne ye be do mo suko a chere say oni tumi say ono no gina asem nanim wo court and James say ne meka no yeah that's we enko busuapanyin so naja abusuapanyin de beto dwai asem kakra be na obeka e de a chere achieve asidani e de menyankopon de me no masipi Papa oswe
Nyankopon enhyira mu nyina Nyankopon enhyira mu for mo mpa ebo ne odo amode tai cause proceedings nyina achi na enenso so pepe yo apie na obonsamonsa agene na nsa kese bi aso so agene nti Nyankopon enhyira mu
right so I know you kakra lawyers need to ja na abusuapanyin ko abere for the asida by nti ni na say ya court ama kwan say na kwabena abere for na say na say opese obeka asem no because let's not forget abusuapanyin kan yon kakra bra ebeto odwa say abusuafo and say abiyese kwan ade share abusuani bi akohia mu e pa akoso etu na akofi wusu no on say na fe we were all in a pensive mood and I mean they are akoso ankasa ena ye na yanka bi anhwe na pa akoso ne krata ba bonten e na edi ho dance say na pa akoso ne krata ba bonten no e no ka say oni abusuafo ni na akọ benkrom say sa bredi e o mo abo eye Jones can the breathing so on every me take over as abusuapani na o metu ana mama bibia anya so bi na na di mo a obeka isa na pa akoso ne krata ba bonten na wi e be kenka wa say eno achi ena krata bi so ba bonten abusua ya krata no e ba bonten ka na pa akoso ne krata no na sa krata no free na krata no free abusuapani kwabna before ya na se mo ken na yitia na se mo ken na se eye na okay actually lawyer say jinam di man na confuse Tupac say asem na court o mo nko free o mo discontinue case no within 24 hours asem na court no o mo nko twensa na mo yin free o say de be ya abusuani ni na betumi ahwe na wakọ akọ manim na mo to na mo bi e be boa in the interest of the family but the bar mo ka say or ma a break about 24 hours as a 48 hours I stand to be corrected I have for go yes free court no abusuan madam wa sada ni twemu koi but asem no ma ko ye free court tell them so ma ko ye free court nti na o say na kwapena abrefo no a e de krata akodan court say da bi sa asem no court no opese obeka on because on na okura tumi no as Abusuapanin tie na o de kodan court a na ye buobuo ho ne ade a na no wo koye that's abosun etwem 14th May court de tu dwa say wa makwan wa jatum na kwapena abrefo no ameka on bi disade ya Tupac yes no so dem dika chichi na omukutu sa na mo no omonko na sa rate of summons na ye nipa for ne defendant no omonfa next person Emeka was the 5th defendant. Next person Obeka as the 5th defendant is no other than Abusuapanin compared before. Tell them yesterday say waka together. Another video from that very day Omoko court no yen share no so na fe with a quick one.
May the Lord God Almighty bless you.
I don't see a cry a course so that court. This is young people yard much now. And you be the HV, the LT, the court back. As to say, as someone, as someone, a year says, Abusuapanin cover before, and as some of the Abusuapanin go from Tupac, the Kodan court. As the court be jack too, and that's when you two. And as I says, yeah, so I cover before the count. So court BT and I cover before say, like I said, cover before someone can the room. Enti majatum say bibia ka bi anto aso na fe ye be hu be so ade body be fa na bibia ya so enti na wa ko bi nyambo chen ko e na ye nim se nyambo chen na court be ka se na bia na se bia obeto aso na fe wetu aso na de ka bia wetu aso ni na be bi se na court san se ne so bia e na bibia be ya so but let's not forget say the na celebration enti and some of those who want to be confused with one another the assess ya be concord nyambo chen a celebration of life on the concord nyambo chen wa kai yo. Yes, that's Lumba celebration of life. No, Nanka so on the 29th and 30th March. Yabekaya the folk will be great for a to buy. Yamma Akosua Serwaa for a to buy. Then cat 3 days. Sabre Independence Square. Now, man, for shall see it to an mobile. They also way say be a suji. Everybody said 3 days to the program. You that. Yeah, every cameraman down here program. A bit told just a court to say there be. Obesere say omo twentwen so with the celebration of life for that Lumba now go yehwem kakra fa amamba nya amane ho and the nam so a celebration of life for that Lumba enya maso na emom the ba so be celebration of life for your mama Akosua Serwaa. But let's not forget say after celebration of life for your mama Akosua Serwaa say the character ba wanting yeah the character ba wanting na say mo kan yan say and some of the court na obon pai say Nyankopon twedi ampon ya don na court ehwehwe nsem nyina mu bi na ojitu ma kwan say celebration of life enkoso for that Lumba aye ono ye maame Akosua Serwaa ono ne kunu abusuafo ina abeka abo na omo dijumadi ne so ko kama pa said the sene fata na abo ma bibia ya so yenti mama ye ma ye revi say says ya say Nyankopon ya atum na court e ma kwan sa ene na celebration of life na be koso for that Lumba and said ya isi etia won abusua and also ye kakra ya abeto twa edi na emu enchemu esoma mansan said ya ise na efata see that is it, that is the update about beto guarantee nyame abotna court sanse ne so a the court beka bia e munche woni mu amanye ko eba beso nti we one of the numerous court cases and sana dia na no ya wada ye koye no and all the effort say Abusuafo na de na Akosua so akogina court say court nhyɛ no mɛkyerɛ baabi a ɔkra da Lumba ana yɛ baako afi court ensign hyɛ no na obebu akonta efa Lumba yi a ɔyɛ ya no obebu no so ho akonta emfa nkyerɛ Abusuafo na obi ante nsɛm ase na bibi anya bɔkɔ ana afi court ensign hyɛ lawyer say exam the man na Akosua Tupac say Emma omun tu sa na mo no bi na say I mean court and stop lawyers na say omun ni sa atumi no mmerɛ mu so betu anamo as lawyers for Tupac because now lawyers for make argument say lawyers see or one of the lawyers maybe came Edema Busiano. Say, Kobase, now we are lawyers the Busiana says here. Assemble between a Busiano and another to park, no good to package here. Then Busiano say conflict of interest be a woman and the Nico and Sempasa. No see court case Yaka and Poya Manos venture so. And Sana another one appeal, which is Mamma Akosua Serwaa appeal. Yeah, no, so says yeah. Let's not forget last time I quite but just say grounds of appeal na lawyers for your Mamma Akosua Serwaa per se court now when your amendment in the grounds of appeal the good news they say court ma yeah over kai salad the could do you could be more court and the lawyers to say kasai you just a court say grounds of appeal no amended then also another case or one yakopoya so e be come court yakoti myself na dey akebia and so as we dey abusu yes na ma say see there empire bona we dey sisi amount for ebese o nine na evangelist sisi amount for so nine na we dey empire bona so because whatever outcome be PF free court to abanya bocha no ebe have an impact I mean with respect to Abusuapanin sense no Ebema a defining moment everyone sense enti and of course empire na was some purpose nya menya dum yankopɔ twɛ yam pɔnkasa na bibia enso enya asodwe said they are set na efata medical me di ensem nyina mu nkomo yes na ma makre nyame kan busua na ho ensem bi wo be kan na ma for be comment na bi di matem bi kura frɛ me so mo na menya antwe but argument na ya na yi na wo de yemfa bibia anto nche I don't think that there is anything wrong, say. But I had dream pa. Almost we know we have a comment. I'm disappointed in you. You're a media person, you should be neutral. Not correct. You're very reporting, you're very objective, you're very neutral. But I ask some more on my team. But you're young empire. You're not a casa. Maybe I ask you. A dear is sick crime. Yeah, my Akosua Serwaa or can't call the last time. A dear is sick crime, say. What's the moment crying? I mean, who baby a crab in your bema? I mean, to me, swimming your bema. And the Anna Kissy crying. On in some way, in the first place, Nico Crass and Kibu to baby a dream. 17 was near the bed. A jack, I asked him. Oh, dear, the last time I called what in tea, Mamma Akosua for Macacra. Now, yet to us with the inti. Was not a yes, said tea.
You now, so I know yet. That's a way your batter. That's a way somewhere to trust a little. Bayamo deck. Yes, and be a Mikamas, and I say, I feel the best. This say, one moment, your own can be woman, your mother. Send me a chance. And body. And no one of me. This serious. This serious. Say, demon. Or nanny put the solution. Nami could be some way to get. Not in detail near them. The menu do not tell you near them. Then I could cast and no one of the maybe you try to now make us a chance to chance and no one of it. It's a chance we out of anti more jamming. The Pamacho such as no one of the other for no way. And then Timan one more jamming. The master mammy near Yammy. I know money.
So that is it. I'll say, just a simple happy way. Not Kumasa Court now on the Akoi. It's way different from the young boys on the community. Look at the stress now, the only I don't know, but I've said this issue there. Because you know what time what time you have any problem here. Well, you all first you now me perhaps and so say oh you're biased. There be it's not about being biased. But in fact, on this issue, now can say now perhaps but it's your own perhaps beam and answer me a bias and many problem there. But I say my yeking I back pet. I say my yeking now, mammy as some all king I back pet. In this issue, you can tag me as bias. I have no problem whatsoever. Many problem here. But my mere someone walking now about pay. But I still welcome me back. This video, yeah, they better two screens. I want to say, yeah, mom for not a dima me at them. Just say, what you want to say? And dear mammy, Akosua Bonnet Ben away. Or so one should be being through Biaho. Or say, oh, you be being through Biaho. Or the always trying to say, Mama. Now, we'll find any crew to your man's son and only some time we need him. And we will be a crying in your bema. It's way say a boy, money no one, not yet take. Oh, and some hard drink. A hard drink bar. Oko can't belongs you. Now pursue whom will be a crying in your bema. And can also over. Now pursue will be a crying in your bema, and also quay. Now, yes, we do. And wow, because I trying to tell me, say, Obusuapanin say yes, Obusuapanin Mr. Mekon, Yamaman Parubia. That's a one begin to be a one to me uncle, you live in Quandia. Only right to be as was a woman be a crowd this year. That's sanity. It's Ghana a year, almost young Quan who will be a crowd a 7 this year. Oh, and some will be a wow, a hard dream. But Okoka, now people then turn around throwing stones at you. But when we look at this issue carefully, they are not analyzing them. Bet me. All the people are almost na oh no cause we say no nyame man in Paribia but should the table stand nyame man in Paribia I'm not sure say they will be able to stand to whatever is happening, but we have the guts, we have the nerves, and people even turn around to peddle insults and what have you against this woman just like that. Like it's so sad, and we have to. It's so sad, and we have to do something about it. It's so sad. So guys, in case you are watching me, these are some of the stuff that we will have to draw attention on and make sure we put things right. But I will be at the Accra High Court, and then whatever happens, we'll bring you the updates and everything. So they buy a betting in some but they're very sad. In fact, when I look at this issue, I get a bit emotional. I get a bit sad, and I get a bit traumatized because come on, Abusuapanin. Come on, it's all baby Nyakubuni and Kabeto Kumebiamano. Best and penny for one watching. Mumma, mammy, now would dear or tinisu. Oh, dear, say, we in the Obina year way, as soon as they say, and no says Yanina here. Or so, dear, she be one, no baby, yak crack Nina Bema. Oh, and see. I mean, she has been screaming and then talking about this for quite some time now. Are we trying to say, sir, we are all not concerned about it? We are all not bothered about whatever is happening? Like, yes, sir. Mama yembwa nan yomanyi. Because it's a bit tough. It's a whole lot. It's a whole lot. It's not some kind of thing. It's not some kind of thing. What they into.
Now, so I know that's a way your batter. That's a back somewhere to chassis a bit over. Bayamode. Yes, and be a mecamasan in and say, I feel the best. It's Miss Serwaa, Mom, the old cabby of Magana, your mother. Send me a chas. Or one sir, the young body. No one. Miss Serious. Say, Mammy, send me home at the minute. Or nanny put the same sorry. Nammy could be some more in the theatre. Attended me a bam. The man you do what attended me a bam. If you should, there be a task. And then I'll and no one of it, maybe you try now make a chance to tell no one of it's a chance we out of no more. More jamming wine. The Pamacho, the same visa. The Fupa, the other full movie, and then Timan one more jam. The master mamma, near Yami, I know money.
Obeka we na wie mama beka se we na wie na amafo asa akodi ma me na tell and now ya wada we ya o ka asem we kuma ase I got wo dey ko TikTok ni media so na ready amafo di na tell but me say omo a wo di na tell now I'm challenging obi ase enti omo pa na asem we ato omo and I say wo dey me nkasa asem we ato e omo oh o dey busia wa wo hwe me forget about bibia fa bibia ato nchen oba ya sisi na ato nchen about yeah, my men on the area, we support the opposite sports in there's nothing wrong with it. But what do you need now to China? You enjoy BBM, you fancy BBNC, in court, will be on your site, will be in our baby place with Nabia. But let's look at the same one, my Akosua I mean, I will want to just say, my king. Say, I won't now who need Pebia in your media. Say, your say your mammy. Now, my man in Paris will be out with Jesus. Say your mammy. Say your papa. Say your nearby. Say your baby. Say your Serwaa. Say a young Munipa. I ain't your media. It be a mint once be by nothing became once. But we ain't your media near the end. I crowd this year. But if you must care about it, we've been to 20 young quaying. Am I a crowd this year? Up till now. Wouldn't be a crowd this year. And among forces, assume we are, Mammy, because when promoting we are okay. The basic mammy mum their problem. Like, me, you want me, Tiasi. At the end of the book, because Mammy Akosua Serwaa, the bonnet and say, one bear away. Are there your bonnet cell with this year being Yamina Busa said, open so will be a crowd this year, Mama. A day. A day. Just say, me, it be not fine, it be another crabby, be or I mean, dear, Metiasi. But if say you find normal, say the society, you say you me akwara me kakra ya be hu bi wo yen community mu ye man mu ya kan man mu ye bibi man mu a. Na say we dey Mr. Emeka o ba asante man mu a Mr. Emeka ya hemfu mpo a wo na te ya kunya kese so ete ya sika bia so ya dis ye musu ampo. So obi o wa asante man mu so ya se nzo nya asante obi o wa ti asante man bia nim say o sabio ya asante man mu ahemfu a meche ya kunya kese ya sika bia ya na matina kunya so da bi omo call omo krechi a obi anim say ye pa omo kra be oberman ban etu twem oberman Pentecost a obi abeka to say ban mu ha na ye kra ye na sabi ya na no mpo a omo na ye the most important family in the Ashanti Kingdom mpo say ye nim say ha na ye kra Mr. Emeka madaro man of my bro so na akọ ye nkura ho do bia mu a ye wo ban mu a Royal Mausoleum ma ya kra this year that Lumba this year into in a normal sense, no Royal Mausoleum and answer Bibisa. Into dear na ba. Into this will be cocaine we are. Now what's up? Your dinner, I mean, ye posting something at your no. And you said there was some man now will be the open. But Nyamia had more way and more by in a yen some free. It is our duty because media is a fourth arm of government. And it is our duty to speak truth to power. And we are praying to God. Yamen kwa the credit pound kwani pound. It's saying Yamen so wrong way more bono me kwanya hode. Ya because what case me akọ the right time ya was here. Because me say mama akọsha be mpoma ya me mama ya. Ebi anka me ntimi na. Ebi anka me suta. Mama akọsha be mpoma ya me mama ya. Ebi anka rewo ni ya odi a ofa mi. Ka me tnas na me hwese ya me mama tia ka me di ya. Enye me mama. Te no nche nya me mama ntimi ye di. Yes, so to say, young couple we say, yeah, Sabio, no sense was with you. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, pa, Mumway na Asum Jimra, Mumway na near money yaka. Because they are very sad, observe. Young for beyond 20, the Akosua, a hard drink pa, the Akosua on a normal day, and you quite say Akosua. My American say, was it that Lumba chassis? Only I told him, said, Lumba no before. Lumba no, never be blown pen and some don. Disabi, and if I be no Lumba, some of them, or more him fine. Where are the voices of conscience in our society? You best say. Then another maybe America said, yeah, Pakistan Council, Peace Council, National House of Chiefs, and then Empoyera President, the number one gentleman of the land. Yeah, Paul Minato say, baby, long movie. But all the old shaman that the old maker said you be an inquest as any problem. But someone making the question about what I may be so. Also, when the men are doing them, we saw a question about what person. And to one I only baby a yin media. And I only baby a crown. Unya answers baby a crown. Gabe okay. Oh, why I cannot crane trail. Now, there's what I see now shasting we are a harding. Oh, dear Besser. Say, you may move in for one, but no my share. One was here, so one much say, mammy, baby, I cried in Yabama. And we are now command to you. Oh, just sorry, yes, a Ghana in Yamason, my Ghana, a Christian country, Ghana, a day. But see a Christian country, Yamason Pani say, Yamason Pani say, Obesha Yanka, a Besha one way be, Yamason Pani say, Christos, I say, and say, Ubesra, no, I don't young coupon, no, I do young Cosell. This year, do a young Cosell, one, meaning say, you best share young Queen, ya. Oh, I am very wrong. Now, me and the Metasia, many Yentia, one way to me a Casama, near my answer, send you, Mr. Mecca, one in a yedding. The voice is a bit to me a Belma Casa, I put the people in order. One way be one way and you may be any concert, over to me a Casa Tiawamo. I'm a near my yedding, one way answer why you ding. And up a basin neck, that's what here. Because Papa, yes, he is here on the 13th of December, where they 13th December. And the date you say, and the 28th of and the 28th of June. And that's the best 6 months now. You mean, I was saying now. You mean, if yes, why am I paying? Said, I was saying now. You mean, which will be a media see, but Nini Yancy will need baby. I see. The bush you have for so many baby. See, now who wants to train your bush as where they have you one training young baby. See, yes, what tomorrow in 10 years, they who's better. Said the inti. Oh, once a trainer books as a baby, Nina Bana some more can, Eugena so a hard drink, one own baby. See you. Now, ye bet did you tell me there just saying, so true, but yes, ring Yamaka, Yamini a diamond, may pay one may boon, and say, Yamia on the funny boy 120. Yamia, Goliath, what kind of Bible Goliath now or a giant? Goliath now or a Burma person. It is a fan and you were more. There was no way Ananka David Akolake to a tam, Nebo now bit and as Najan with me at Toma Combo Goliath and so. But Yamia were a god of possibilities, not yet a yet impossible, 1 year possible. Yamina don't Goliath on him and my Yasuchi. When you say yet Denia, I change one after. Yet Denia, and your man you say Uncle Siri. Mamma, I would say time without number. And I support this call 100%. Mr. Senon Quentin now, but not because I'm a bias and any problem. But me supported this call. Yamin Yamami Yaton. Now on campaign for Biakuma. Bible so I now come at the Yankopon same situation. Baby only trade Yampon Yankopon a pair and out in fa. A bomb by a pass in Yamin campaign for Biakuma. Now on Tino Makuma, more win tear mammy yasem. Now, oh dear. And more yaw. Emoya, what did you know? You have a machine on Casaka, so Emoya.
Now, so dear. That's a way you're bad. That's a way back. Somewhere, you be told. Yes, and be a come and send me and say, a favor else. This one moment, you can be a woman, your mother. Send me your chance. One shall be unbodied. Now, I'm calling cousin. And no one may be serious. Send me home at the or nanny put the solution. Now, me could be some more in yet. Not in near them. The menu do what I did near them. If you check, they be a task. The minium. And then I casa. And no one of it, maybe check me. Now, make I such as a chance and no one. If you chance to wee, more. And my jamming wine. The Pamacho, the same visa, such as no one of pa, it's out of no way. And it's even one of my jamming. The master mammy. I know.
Now we are one of America and some way. Now, maybe Mujidi pass it. Some way, Mammy, and yes, sir. Okay, some yawada. Acha, na best in the no. I mean, America, yeah, pie, paying for Becassa. And only between us, so the Indians are canafe, the fashion and my every year. Okay, so inti, we sukaka, inti.
My channel, Pusumesu, if you are there.
Yes, more kind of says,
Kayemu baby is seeing the people who flower be out there for two. Your team one good year and ya will be sitting me one yellow. Just me boy be no bar. Into more way. More way. What chance of one more way. Timaya chances are cocoa. Such as anything. I'm telling them what you want is that. I'm a post school because young woman, somebody to see the one with you. I'm saying Akosua say no here, because of Tiani and Jenny and your Mrs. Akosua and yet money at the Becca. I was so maybe I do not have this. Me, I do the one pen will be a singing opera. When the camel, I say, young. Or they were going to one more cancer answer. Yes, sir, or Mumia can't begin to say, Dawson. And dear money, what John Clark said, Tiawa. No, I had no idea a year will be to meet Jina or catch them and send me a sarge. Be a memory answer moon or can't say more back and notice and now can't see me. I read to when I'm in some moon because social media no make me so. But I would say.
Okay, so yeah, 12 minutes. So this video, yeah, 12 and 7 more, yeah, and then more, yeah, 12 minutes.
No more, dear, 24 hours. I'm a baby. This is social media. I'm in so. No queer woman, I have a mountain and I have done it time for a man. Ni penny be a man. Hey, be a rule now for. Dear Busiana, tempting your work, Siaman Kawum. Then I 18 years. It's a and Jesus.
So,
I have a 7 for.
the cock meeting.
Said yes, Kuntum Pobinens. He say, I mean, in Casimir, but no crana here, and no crash again. And I'm saying no crankiness. What means, if you say MP right now, there will be a time I will be in future, a better history. Yeah, and he said, you almost see you on a Sunday in idea. Such a person like that, Lumba. Now what got from my Akusi and Brian Nimu? Okay, was in Yanka. That's still a Mudayabu. I don't think I said, you have been now for all reviews. Fat and telling into the Revieta. I am here. The Kakusi. What you say, yeah, Kakrana could be future. I will call Nayaku. Yeah. Still a nipa baako food media ade bi boss say me ma mu hu a na amansan wudi achi
Fana de pa na mo de ayem, de pa na mo de kusu. Me busa ya na.
If you baako ana me ni biada yes o ye busuani He's outstanding member. Minimum. Say be a men in some way. Because
so okay for your podcast because say nyame adom afa but what is here June the issue happened in July. Lumba died on 26 July according to Crater Bowman. So Yankopon ya adom next month na ye 1 year pepe 26 July 2026 na 1 year pepe because 26 July 2025 and I know say obi nyame dia normally ye kenyi na ye kabo ma fiso na ye de in flowers akoni pane na so na ye de akotune na so se ni pane ko akwa sorry a so for panyin be ka ho bi na o hye na so for atare na o ni na ko du anu ma bompae se better this for no to choristers you have to him kakra ni adia as of for bompae the flowers at so it is ya nyame adoma o ye just a simple question nyame adoma on the 26th of July 2026 ye radi Yankopon ye nkwache no boy on one of the do ha say in case of fire puku ni mama Akosua Serwaa ma flowers be on the koto Lumba na so a fa no beko fa no beko nti if we look at all these necessary stories so there's nothing wrong I told you any I was straight my mom paying for papa yes sir mom and he said the Akosua ye bia na my attention nyama on because I mean na you be fiasem yes but since you be adruno be a national issue. If you understand, Brian, me the TIB and cause it didn't discuss national issues of national interest. Ye this uncle, and the powers that be. The movers and shakers of our land. Say mum papa, mother na monkasa. And mamma mia come and tell you. Na araho kum soon and to share my men sama oka the dimina near dear. Bibia said she's going through a whole lot. She's going through pain. Tears mother. I will actually say, Mama Faustina attended the funeral. Doesn't she know where he was buried? I'm not sure, Debbie. And I'm saying, Savvy, my shall be who be a mistake. Primary charge. Now, some recording, now some download the bar. Savvy, you know your video. Now, I called the crew interview. Yeah. 2 weeks after the burial of Lumba, on the last time I've been there, interview, I say, oh, no, Grano. But maybe be a condition, but not here or way in a city, Mr. McCann or Daroma, no way in a city. Only maybe a crime this year. Likewise, many is a mammy Faustina for so maybe a crime. Oh, wrong, wrong, wow, show me. May Obian time will be out, but the Achia Nachia. The air right is not right. But this particular one, it is so wrong. It is so wrong. To my kind of crank share, the kind of crank when I was a kind of crank home said, they way the Achia, Timunian Yoma ye. A day. And more, but I was until they never pay money. So, when I make Casa and check a brain so copa, Yamia Dumois, or China, the Accra High Court Beccabian, Ebaba, yet the Munchi Mother Sumo. But the bottom line, ain't I said, a yenny pammy and some bomb a person caught mom a crime, caught mom to me. Now I won't celebrate the legend that Lumba. Emma, so same way, so no. A year, anybody. Yeah, I can't make sure the Nippon Yasana Kodan court, not who's treasure there be. And he coins a court of more quine. No celebrating Lumba. Now, the claims no, I'm here claims no Kakrabina, young from Kobe. And I could fuse me key claims Kakra the chair called the Intia, and he coins a court. Emma, a year, Yamma, quine, almost celebrity that Lumba, the music legend, I want him from Pony. What is the statement of claims? I think it's yeah. Then I'm not confused to say on that. Church is simple breed. This is the dynamics. Say, a brand not confused in some of the court. Okay, check court say on the year Abusuapanin. Intino, we be on the wood to me say what's for you. And I says, yeah, I'm not coming out before just say. This year, when you Abusuapanin bill. It is a 1 year Abusuapanin bill. Gradia. Then you know, so I got down court. Now, you know, so I'm out to me about because say, what try the court so you Abusuapanin is our brother. And now, so won't play money, my son. Says, yeah, that to me, that power and crowd him. And desire the court to see what I say. Only to me say. What was one now? What a court of injunction to so. And desire the court in sin the crime. Almost that is it. And the corner of Abraham which I say, almost as the only was your paying our back. And the people of that Sanaba Dine court, which is not confused to park or that Sanaba court say, or personal celebration the Malupa. Says the only was your penny beam. And tonight, Sabia, the locus, the grounds, grant Timonia to me as Sanaba Dine court. That grounds is non existent. Says here, you know, any own view. And the court of more Tupac as something to me. That won't tea or no, and then I'll come out faster. Now fe o me ka asem mu bi na o make case say sisia no ebusua no kwa in the interest of the family or more and support that claim no bi enti court m1 on chance so until there for the very last time na fe yan fa show na and so emra
Where were you? Okay, Council. Okay, Council, and then in said in a court, I she. Abusuapanin Pacho. Council, and then in said the court, make us say, now, Abusuapanin able to court when Mr. America, and that's sending ceremony a course or court.
Mecha etiefo nyina yedi kan de meka ne se nanu a ye nimu hia ne ye ka kire mu se ye de enkrata beto court se ye abusuapanyin kwabna brefo ono na se ye course ekona abusua e wo paakoso ne nsuta no ono na ya pa ne se abusuapanyin entinsem na eda court no etwa se court de ne beka asem no ho se de be ya ye betimi ado asem no masuko na enchechemu bi ewu mu bia ye de abetudwa na enra na jo emfa ne say be almost 5 o'clock ena eye Tupac a lawyer for no omode affidavit in opposition ebre na said na tie bia na enam say na ye gi asema ye de abeto court no edint no e adwen say even though abalate no ye be ko enim ni aka asem no nti na ye de asem beto court enim say court enhwe non fa abusuapanyin kwabna brefo enka asem no ye bobo so na court agi atum say abusuapanyin kwabna brefo etwa say ye de ne beka asem no nti sesi ane de abusuapanyin kwabna brefo asem na eda court no no na eye faith defendant nti court a share Tupac ene ne lawyer for say asem no omo amend rate no no mo fa abusuapanyin kwabna brefo nka ho na court a share that say Nsamba 29th June nzania mani nyina bekoso na 29 June abeto aso e wo court
Said abeto just na beka no musie we gidi say ebeboa ama asendie na mo pe no mo site mi aka
o share ye rules any ye mra ide adwuma na aya na court no ese say oye ne niam say de be ya asem bi ba nipa etwa so mo ba asem no nyina mu no ye de o mo beka asem say de be ya because we nka court anya antuma nke betimi akofile another suit but court share niam ni nyina court essay there be asem a eda menim no se me de abusuapanyin ka ho a ebeboa court na ma court no ahwehwe nsem ni nyina epempensemu ehun say asem no ni sibreni ana say ha na ese ye de asem nefa enti no niam bebre ho no ma ese so mo ye ese so mo kwade order ese so mo amende ese so mo serve ya akwanya beba am ye nso ye de defense aba betudwa ni nyina echi no court ye mra 29th na de wo bia ye nka
cuz we the last year you didn't ba wie no you bisa say so ye na beka on kire say ye gitu so ye abusuapanyin na
yenye nu ho
okay
no say abusuapanyin de say de midi kan na no efie eni si abusuapanyin ye yasema idea beto court ne say abusuapanyin kwabna brefo ena say yes na abusuapanyin ewo ekwo na abusuam wo paakoso ye ka say ni say asem na da court no ye Tupac oni hu tumi say original asem no bi enti afa ni ye be pense sa na yemen actual court de enti a eni say abusuapanyin Tupac ono na edi asem ye nim
your friend to sack
enti afa ni ye be do mo suko actually say oni tumi say ono no original asem na nim wo court enti em say ni emeka no
yeah that's we enko abusuapanyin so na ja abusuapanyin de beto dwai asem kakra be na obeka ade akire achiefo na fefo na
asida na de me nyankopon de me no masipi
papa no also
Nyankopɔn nhyira mu nyinaa Nyankopɔn nhyira mu for mo mpaebɔ ne ɔdɔ a mode tae cause proceedings nyinaa akyi na ɛnɛ nso so pɛpɛpɛyɔ apie na ɔbɔnsam nsa agyene na nsa kɛseɛ bi aso so agyene nti Nyankopɔn nhyira mu
Okay, so that is it. That's what lawyers know at the Tupac the Accra High Court. Now, yeah, I'm quiet. This year, lawyers know. Okay, so make it and say, Tupac, a grounds are more. That's what I call that court. Says, yeah, these are grounds, maybe. So what you say, you know, I want to make the argument say, but of course, go on massive into because Tupac is not having that grounds say obe make appeal the etia or and as obe make case court and fine injunction and so said there is at no na demonstration so na comment be about any before na for to aso na there can be a yemfa enso amasa say network na ya na stone na busia won me hu e madaro ma na munti na meti baby but you say network it say is it stable now na still na him say you know madaro ma won my hu na yemfa there can be anso so Charlotte maybe about call there Charlotte no comment at about say may the Almighty God prevail in this case and okrepa nyametias be and after Cynthia Niamase the so-called Lumba's lawyers, why are they not helping Marbin Poma to see where her brother was buried if truly they are Lumba's lawyers? Marbin Poma is also a sister. I said what we say Mama Cynthia Niamase because if indeed the interest of Nippon or Yamedian Niamba said I just said oh Meka I said we make kind of my emotional but somehow that's okay Cynthia. And then Charlotte, network is okay now. Regina, Mama will say okay, our mother Roma. They will say Traswa, mother Roma. But I just don't know. Edia, ma. I won't ya. Yes, you quite 9%. That Lumba near Bama, me Akosua Serwaa. It be whom baby and any abema. Name. Oh, may I say yourself. Now, can be and somebody be what you say. Osha na okay o matime dase ense no bu osha na odwonwa na eyako hadwe osha na odwonwa na makoma abaso just say edi an esi kwan edi ya na esi kwan what at all mean it na me say ase me ka say ebia na bibi o ho a menim dia I stand to be corrected but say yes na say de yen society city normally say de esi ye bibia na dia menyini say emara bia o say obi enyame dia yem preventing nua you're only free of the crumbs and more who may be a crown in your bed. Yes, sir. But okay, the posture of Abia, one year between your woman near my year. Okay, was just at the dear number, BB or why? Because I don't know. I've been asking myself questions time without numbers. At day, BB or why any man? Bibi or Bia may acquaint me, the Anabia was the only one offer no catcher. But it's sad. Oh, my memory, take to do. You may Akosua Serwaa or take to do. My men are tinny so to do. Any quan say bassa. Any quan say bassa cra. Any quan say bassa cry. And soon we are home. A good church I do on Wednesday. Yet meet them when your whole time. Just say, am I afraid the actor creative group the picture and the actor? Just so true. Minimum, I don't know because maybe all I mean they are fine. But senior son a normal case, yeah, they are. But you form room. I'm a mother of mine and I'm a since this case is too spiritual. Sa Ebiana Sadia. But say, maybe I a spiritual said the cry. And you say, Yametias for a trillion. One a boss, Sonia Sassy. Ono kwa de ma sabi bibia ya asuje nyame kwa de kasa e ma opportunity spiritually na tini nyame twedi ampo kase ti me empire me bua se nyame na ambre me won kasa so o de yemfa bibia de atwam bia as bible kwa kasa de mo di ko de omuni ko ni mu ti aka de mo mo bai ti de atwam bia atwam you forget about it na ye mo ma me Akosua Serwaa na wo hu bibia kra ni abema it's as simple as that. Also, what should be when you be on baby the ocean say, only a bear man, a honey a crack. But amen, Charlotte, amen. And I'm saying, I'm not there, I'm on 1 year exam. I say, oh, Mama, said you, Yaman and Pario, but I want a young money pa. And come on, Tiasi. A young money pan, I rose him say, a sea, and money pan, I rose him say, a sea in a form one. By now, come on, Tiasi. Oh, but just a because Osha, I say, your bunny baby up down soon. Sana quack. I say, your bunny baby up down soon. And then also, would you some nature now shall quack with you baby? Now, a camera say, I say, Yan come a casa bone show me. They ain't come on shit. So, I had dream, but saying, I'm na you kind of what you see. ɔno abɛma ne nsa so yes me was agitated nipa sɛ nyame na abɛma ne nsa so na deɛ akyie bi atene nyame na abɛma ne nsa so na deɛ ɛwɔ sɛ toyɛ bi atoyɛ na so bi aba nyame te ase ɔkyɛ sɛ nyame ɛbɛyɛ nyame bɛkyɛ ɔbɛkyɛ ama obi ansa aka deɛ nyame na abɛkyɛ na bibia ayɛ kama because it's sad now since you say it will take time but God is in control no crap your buy every and say so na nyame na brem and the media moji di pa say said the name of bisi akobia nyame na bekasa na asumdwa ba nyame na okasa na omo so aduane a the real fear wanted ya then nyame na bekasa so nyame na bekasa busia bibi atunche na ye mompo yesu nyame say omo a ema bibia nyoboko omo na said there was a near Mexico and consa na bibia akoma so ade bia ne sanka to bibia nyoboko but me dey says ya kwa me how am di ene dey nyame na say ma me akosi abempo man so ko so ko so enyame ya ye makoma ya do to my mami na umun bibia e kwa de shi da bibia tuncha na so bi ma busia de bepema be samba na de ejiti bia ya be so me dey kwa na so I have by Grace TV. I mean, Kaina, now on to the but Miss say, I have subscribed, my naughty. Na share a mouth of France in your business, and see what the public brave, yeah, yet, ever so more. So thank you all for joining the feed and a day. A brother call back to do another kind home. I can't crave about 11, but never kind home. The baby I asked you now, baby girl, also in the comment, but baby girl say they will go and put those letters there. They will go and put those letters they sent to Kumasi there. Nothing will happen again. Mati, baby girl, Mati, mommy, Wadaluma, your mom pie, the baby Anya Sunji. Afi, I Frederick's real estate say the network is not stable. I'm not going network in a hard drink, but Freddie Mercury said, don't test me, and in yes, I was what testing me. Mati, you didn't come on. Afi, baby girl say the family needs to act to stop this once and for all. If they rely solely on the court, they will lose. All of them are corrupt. I asked him, baby girl. I said, well, you nyame mpa bibia be so what I say bibia be nyame na ene bekasa ama asumji aba afi wan bi in the comment about nyemfa no so ensom amanso ye okay afi wan bi we are too dear so makan na fe mame Esther Mankwa ba say hi hello Esther Mankwa bibia boko here afi Esther, yeah, but I so say hello, mommy, Mama Grace, Mama Bibia Boko here, also the stars I support here, and I've reached choose new Abusuapanin the coolest, okay, and another yes, Abusuapanin the assembly here, Cooper, and answer Peter. Now, Mama say it's okay, come down, my son, my dad say, and I think, now, Master come now, I must say, oh, UK, but I'll smell the perfume, a OB Trading Enterprise perfume. Make tea, Kumasi, Besame Cherry, be a more angry at me life. But no Kumasi say agbe and I'm smelling the perfume all the way from UK. We say a serious and yes, a picture and I'm big ups to you. Say I was smelling perfume all the way from UK. Yamisha. After one be in the comment about who again. We not true say Papa She. I like the way you reminded the lawyer to call him to sack. Okay, and I say more. And I must be praying for good news tomorrow. Amen. And I won't pay. That's what you are welcome. That's what you did. What did me too much? As well, the master make as well. Say, maybe say a question back up. Question buzel as well. It says about 30 minutes. How many of them granny? Afi. And now my probably say what the family is going through is too much. My Bripoma has lost so much weight. It tells how she has been thinking about the issue. Or the character about Bontin Phoebe. What's all down to me now? What down to me now? Now my probably say, this is sad. Oh, erade beye. Now my erade beye what? After the number of the whoever says your bias is not truthful, and some get all. I want for them to come to Quada. I be no ferry. And I say that, just say, but Yametiasi, or so Becassa. And then, look at the woman, maybe the amassing now and say, my man is going through pain. Young one, and I come as well, and son can be out to judge. This is not too much to ask for. So, exactly. After, who again? Zoki Kofi. Zoki Kofi, this nation has no leaders. Our pastors, bishops, or archbishops have lost their moral compass. Their only interest is tithe and offerings. I have say, I mean, some okay, na basi ne. Yenya, yema mumpanyufo bia mo mo some beboa maso jaba. seriously. A hard dream, papa, a hard dream. Because meaning say, yeah, my yaw, and painful, I'm cabia, it's now on my moon. When you say, meaning comes here on National House of Cheese, where you wine. Yeah, you talk about now signing peace party. Meaning, meaning, say, what the Peace Council, where you wine. You were the Christian Council. Musiga, no, that number not to them, Musiga, only Adina. It's tremor. My minute, I say, Lumba, oh, I do for the door. But Sabia Lumba, the other for more him fine. Yeah, my jabo, no quans, no quan for how. It is sad, very sad. A very, very sad part. I feel might be in the comments about Regina Chum said, I don't think this has ever happened in the history of Ghana. Men kai minini say BSc away my Musa grapping and happening. And afraid shall do is may the Almighty God prevail this case, amen. Since you are now the so-called Lumba's lawyers, okay, when they can't kind of and a some as I say, some will be able to call you, some will also when you almost end lawyers for Lumba, they were lawyers for Pakistan Sombro and so Eka. Afei, faithful testimony say, God of vengeance, please arise on behalf of this family. Amen. You know, Yami Bekasa, Yami the Odobroni and the Obekasa. Now, Nioma at the ye, maybe I should say, Efata. Afei, man, also to be traditionally, the new Abusuapanin is not recognized by the traditional authority. Oh, okay. Matia the Yenshe, say Yenshe Brennan can be at the Becha. So, we in baby, then in baby, said the city and tears. Matia, I mean, let's pray. Let's pray. We just have to pray. We just have to pray. Say, Yanko Pontre, the Ampon Bayatum. Now, court abem, and I say, Yanko Pontre, for Bayatum. Let me be a yes, because I think, say, this is a step in the right direction. The Abon Bayat says, Yaminatum. Now, court more and never suffer. It's as simple as that. So it's as simple as that. As well with the all by Yamena, yes, Yamena more, the BPI and yet Asumchi. Afe, Cynthia must say to take time, but God is in control of the crib. And Afe Charlotte say, God bless you. Even Charlotte, Yami Shroud, so Yami Shroud, Yamon Pine Swing, Yami say, on one command in Memo. When Yamena or man is Sassoman Yamina, you say Yamina Becassa, the BPI Boko, Yamina Becassa, the BPI Asumchi. Away in a radius Christo Divinity. Amen. I was here. Every time you see a young count, lady come now, macro. Because when I heard by Christy, you see on the public breed. Yeah, the person, young count, macro. Somebody are cool. Young king, I will see a macro. Bye bye. I suppose about 10:41 wow. Obey the day, say the German area swap, so what I say. In the was say, you're the best mama. I suppose who are you from? Oh, UK. And I went far. Can't you be now? Why are you watching us from? Because Ghana had a 10:41 p.m. Yeah. Maybe at that time I was saying 10:40 our Ghana has it. And then everyone else will share free. Yeah, for brands on your call. Now, I suppose for instance, when you talk about even though on them a dream what means so what I say. Because even though on them a dream, but we do that respectfully. And I know it's a sign of that woman and so some is or done woman. But sending a me imagine here, with me chair also chair let me be a cover. Since you're mama also share free me for now share free. Whether my own you appreciate him now. He was young barco. The be American see in some way became, but in some way came my Akosua and I'm saying I was a baby a more dog away in term. Okay, Mama Cynthia, I'm share from US. Okay. Matia, Mama. As soon as you are share free from me, baby, I'll share for us. Very baby, I'm not going to share free. So you're called Yamu Yamabo. Now, kind of now, Martin anymore. Easy. I will never use it. Amen. Yakodai, Yakobo Tobacco, Yakodai, the bonfire is in Yamis own Yamabo, no boy of mine. On dear famous when you sang, the swim on my end, like me at swim on my end, like any on my just on my being any boy. and see. I was soon as send the idea and go to the upon 19 film. Said, yeah, about the Yakupon Shisha. It's a tear. Yaman boy, why was the same way I was now. Can you probably bring out on your soul? Oh, yeah, Christopher, you be on the only idea upon you on the body way. Yaman, the women of one boy on why. Now, what your film is when you say. But anyway, South Africa as well for World Cup. Yeah, South Africa for film. Canada, a year film. Yeah, the power. We had the power. Canada, a South Africa, every World Cup. It is a South Africa film. So, what's it? 1% you between point, my between point, number 30 in your more. Once you have a vampire, say, Yamana more, Nanyama, and yes, I'm going to be a Yaman, Bye bye.